Yes, good morning students. As now we will discuss our next topic, that is the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. As all of you know that if we are having a ball, like it is made up of the glass or etc., and if we cut it like this, so what will we obtain? We will obtain this part, and this part which is curved in the nature. This part is curved in the nature, and the reflecting surface, if reflecting surface is curved, then it is known as spherical mirror. Then it is known as spherical mirror. So this curved surface which is having the two reflecting surfaces, one is this and one is this. Mean there are the two type of the reflecting surfaces, and due to these two reflecting surfaces, two type of the mirrors are formed, and these two type of the mirrors are known as, one is known as concave and second one is known as your convex mirror, right? So one is concave and another is your known as convex mirror. And for example, like this, all of you have seen about the spoon. Spoon is just like this. Okay, this is your spoon, like this, and this is handle. So this inside, inward, so the light will reflect in the inward part. Light will strikes on the inward part, and this type of the mirror is known as concave mirror. This type of mirror is known as your concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is outward, curved है no doubt, but outward, so this type is known as your convex mirror. Understood? Concave or convex mirror, understand? If the reflecting surface is inward, then it is known as your concave, and if the reflecting surface is outward, then it will be known as your convex mirror. And if the reflecting surface are other, it is inward and another it is outward, then no doubt there are the different type of the images are formed by the convex mirror and the concave mirror. Before starting about the images formed by these type of the mirrors, there are some definitions which are related to your spherical mirrors, and we will discuss one by one. Understand? So now we will discuss about the different type of the defines, like this. Either it will be concave or convex, it doesn't matter. And this is your part of the spherical mirror. This is your M and this is your N. The diameter, ये क्या आपका diameter of इसका reflecting surface का, तो diameter of reflecting surface is aperture. तो क्या बोलते हैं aperture, right? किसका, ये जो diameter है पूरा का पूरा reflecting surface. अब इसका जो center है, that is known as pole. Center of reflecting surface is called pole, and it is denoted by capital letter P. So किससे denote करते हैं? P से, right? As all of you know that it is formed from the sphere. जब मैं इसका बनाऊँ sphere या sphere, तो it is having a center. It is having the center. The sphere is having the center. That C, denoted by C, and it is known as center of curvature. It is known as center of curvature. What does it mean? Center of curvature means it is the center of the sphere, but do not the part of reflecting surface. Sphere का part है, लेकिन इस रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस का पार्ट नहीं है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, एंड डिनोटेड बाय द कैपिटल C. अब द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द P, The distance between the center and the P is known as R, and this is known as radius of curvature. उस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को C बोलेंगे, जो बीच का डिस्टेंस होगा उसको बोलेंगे रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द R. अब हाफ ऑफ द यानी हाफ ऑफ द रेडियस इज नोन एज द फोकल लेंथ, फोकस. तो F क्या हो गया आपका? फोकस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस. एंड R इज इक्वल टू 2F, यानी जितना ये डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ये डिस्टेंस होगा. ये सारा डिस्टेंस किसके बराबर? R के, एंड हाफ में जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो किसके बराबर होगा? फोकस ऑफ योर रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस. और जो P और F के बीच का डिस्टेंस होगा दैट इज नोन एज योर फोकल लेंथ. ओके, a line which is passes through the center of the curvature, this one, a line passes through the center of the curvature and your focus and your pole. This line is known as principal axis, right? So what we have discussed, diameter of the reflecting surface is known as aperture. The center of the reflecting surface is known as pole. The center of the sphere, which is not the part of reflecting surface, is known as center of curvature. The distance between P and C is known as radius of curvature. Half of the distance of the radius of curvature is known as focal length, and a line which is passing through the pole and the center of curvature, that is known as your principal axis, right? As we have discussed that there are the two reflecting surfaces are there in a plane, in a spherical mirror. So the nature of the images will be different from each other. So we will discuss what is the nature of these type of the mirror. One is the concave and another will be a convex mirror. Concave mirror and another will be known as the convex mirror. We will discuss the difference later. We are discussing what is the nature of these type of the mirrors are there, and first we will discuss that if we are having a concave mirror, this is your P, this is your F, and this is your C, right? Principal axis. As all of you, maybe some of you did this activity in your time. You are having a mirror and falls the light on it. Which light? Sunlight. आप धूप में खड़े हुए हो, उसको लेके खड़े हुए हो और उसको ऐसे, और एक पेपर चाहिए और एक आपको ये चाहिए. The light falls, sun rays falls on that mirror and adjust the mirror in this way that it forms an image on the paper. It forms an image on the paper. What does it mean? Real image. What will be there when you will do like this? What will happen? The image will be formed on the paper, and after some time the paper starts burning. Is it amazing? Right, it is amazing. Means a number of the rays are coming from the sun. A number of rays are coming from the sun like this. They are coming just like this, like this. इसमें बीच में एरो ने लगाई है, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है मेरी, दैट्स वाई. एंड आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग दे विल मीट एट वन पॉइंट. They will meet at one point and an image is formed on that point. Image will be formed on that. Means अलग-अलग direction से light आई and after striking it will meet at one point. Means they will converge at one point. And this type of the mirror is known as converging mirror. This type of the mirror is known as converging mirror. Means जिसमें आपकी different source से ऐसे लाइट आई और आने के बाद टकराई और आपका एम शेप सा बना दे इस टाइप से कि टकराने के बाद एम शेप, यानी एक लाइट ऐसे आई और ऐसे टकराई, एक लाइट ऐसे आई और ऐसे टकराई एंड विल मीट एट वन पॉइंट. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ द मिरर इज नोन एज कन्वर्जिंग मिरर, राइट. इफ इट इज कन्वर्जिंग इन द नेचर, obviously it will be diverging in the nature. So convex mirror is diverging in the nature. How we will identify? Diverging mirror like this. this is your convex and this is your F और ये आपका C। एक्चुअल में तो यहाँ होगा, लेकिन हमने उसके पहले सेम डिस्टेंस पे हमने वहाँ पे लिख दिया इसको F डैश और C डैश, राइट। एंड अ लाइट फॉल्स ऑन इट and it will goes like this. A light falls on it and it will goes like this. It will comes and moves like this. And after striking, they will meet at a point that is F. Behind the screen बनी, लेकिन यहाँ से टकराई and after striking they will move like this. तो SAI और SH. So this type of the nature is known as converging mirror and it is found in your rear view mirrors और vehicles के जो आपकी गाड़ीज वगैरह होता है उसमें सब में मिलता है, ताकि आपका दूर तक रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाए और आपको इमेजेस मिल जाए और यू कैन सी अ वाइड एरिया एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर लुक smaller than that of the size. We will discuss one by one. This is about your spherical mirror. Spherical mirror के बारे में किया. We will discuss later about the images formed by these type of the mirror. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay.